folks, I'm Gary Dunshee with Big Bend Saddlery, and in lieu of this month's tack tip, we just wanted to let you know about a little project we're helping with. I'm sure that all of you have heard about the flooding in the Kerrville area and all the devastation that happened down there. What you might not know is a lot of those camps for kids lost either all or a lot of their tack, saddles, bridles, pads, halters, everything. We're working jointly with a nonprofit foundation to help equip those camps again. And so we're trying to help them so that as many kids as possible can have an experience with a horse that might not otherwise be able to ever learn how to ride or do anything like that. And if you have any saddles or tack, old ones that you haven't used in years, this would be a really good way to make use of them and help somebody out. So if you have anything like that, read below and it'll tell you how you can go about donating saddles or tack and where to ship them, how to do it. Also, you can send a monetary donation and we'll buy tack at our cost and send down there. There's lots of ways to go about helping, but I'm sure anything you do will be much appreciated by those folks down there. Thanks for listening.